It's Wednesday, and that means it's time for healthy living. And today, Ina and Luella join us from Cobblestone Crossings to talk about their health campus. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Well, tell us about this campus because it's a phenomenal facility. What do you offer?
We offer skilled nursing care as well as assisted living and memory assisted living. We also have all the therapies. And Luella can talk about that.
Yeah, we have the rehab to home program. We call it Home Again program. For people that are needing more therapy right after their hospital stay, we can provide the therapy. We have physical, occupational, and speech therapy. And then we're open 24/7. We're there 7 days a week. And we work in collaboration with the physician and the therapist. So there's a continuum of the care that they have from the hospital to Cobblestone.
And that communication's key to get the patient back up and running again.
And then we also have, we do a home assessment so that when it's time for them to go home, we can assess them and then tell them what they need. And before they go home, they would have everything they need from wheelchair, walkers, anything that they would need at home will be set up for them by our social service. And then they have even some meals that would go with them when they go home so that they can be ready when they go home and be at ease.
Wonderful. Well, let's talk about setting up a time to come visit Cobblestone Crossings. What do you need to do?
You really don't have to set up a time. It is nice if you can call ahead if you want to know more about the pricing and that, but we would love to have anybody out anytime to tour the facility. We do have managers on the weekend as well, so there'll always be someone there to answer the questions.
So always somebody there to accommodate somebody else.
Absolutely.
Well, let's talk about all the fun events you do because you're doing a lot of things that incorporate everybody and you just have a good time. Tell us about some of those events.
Every month we have a Sunday brunch where we invite the neighborhoods in and anyone can come. We have a lot of churches that come afterwards, and that's a nice connection with our seniors that actually live with us. So we do that. And
I know just last month we had Mother's Day. So they were there, and then so for this coming June, it will be for Father's Day, I think.
Okay. Yeah. And this is a relatively new facility, so what's the best way to describe where you're located?
We're on Highway 41 behind the Toyota dealership, the new Toyota dealership. There's a large sign that says Cobblestone Crossing. We are adjacent to the apartments out there. And
I have to compliment the facility because if you watch the virtual tour, and we've showed you some of the video today, it's a phenomenal facility.
We're very proud.
Yeah. And you should be. Yeah. Well, thank you so much, Ina and Luella. I appreciate it. Cobblestone Crossings, that was the topic today on our Healthy Living segment, and our Healthy Living segments air right here on Wednesdays. Now, for more information on healthy living, be sure to check out our website at WTHI-TV.com. If you have any questions for the fine folks at Cobblestone, you can pick up the phone and call them at 812, I'm going to get it here, 232-0406. We'll be right back. Stay with us.